Hello, my bacon lovers. And on today's episode of Destination Bacon, we are going to be making a Blackberry Cobbler with a bacon weave topping. We picked these fresh blackberries from our backyard today, so let's turn it into a yummy treat. Stay tuned for this week's episode. So first, let's make our bacon weave. You want to put your bacon as tightly together as possible. I've got 5 strips. And then you're going to alternate flipping back the 2 on the ends and the 1 in the middle. Then you're going to take another piece, lay it across nice and tight, lay those pieces you flipped over back over, and then you're going to do the alternate pieces that you didn't flip before, and keep going, and keep going. Then back out to the outside, the middle, and the other outside piece. And you can see kind of the weave forming here. And you will do this until you have your weave completed. So I've used 10 strips of bacon. And this is what we're going to put on top of our cobbler. There it is, a bacon weave. I'm just melting the butter in a pan, but you could do it in the microwave. So simple. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And then the half a cup of butter I melted. It's gonna go right in. You are gonna mix this all together. And then you're going to put it in a greased baking dish. So let me get this mixed. Oh, look at that. The oven is ready. All nice and mixed. We're going to pour it into our greased baking dish. You can use any kind of baking dish you have. It can be oval, it can be square, it can be rectangle, whichever you have on hand. Then you're going to just sprinkle your blackberries right on top. The oven should be preheated to 375. I think I'm going to really cover this dish with a lot of blackberries. Okay, now we're going to put the bacon weave on top. I'm going to try to lift this whole thing up. Oh boy. Just place it on top. So you see I just plopped my woven bacon strands on top there. We're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour. It's at 375 degrees, and we'll just kind of check on it. This is not super thick bacon, but a little bit, so it may need longer to cook, or we may need to put it on broil for a minute to really kind of crisp it up. All right, let's give it a whirl. Fresh out of the oven. Look how good this looks, you guys. I did put it on broil, so the bacon got to crisp up a little. Let's slice into it and give it the taste test. Okay, so I got a corner piece where the edges are kind of golden brown and a little more cooked than the middle part. And it is smelling divine. Super hot here. I'm getting the crunchiness from the outer edges that cooked a little more. Oh wow, the smokiness and the savoriness of the bacon just pairs really well with the sweetness of the sugar and of the blackberry that's in there. And of course, the cakey part is even delicious. You guys have got to try this. This is so easy. I mean, you just throw those ingredients in a bowl, mix it, dump it, sprinkle your blackberries on top. Probably the most laborious thing of it is making that bacon weave. Great recipe. Gotta try it, guys. If you try this, comment below. Let me know how you liked it, if you tweaked the recipe, what you did to it. And as always, I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Don't forget to mash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It'll help me win that algorithm. Thanks, guys. Bye.